Hello and welcome back to another Scriptcase by Jamie video. Jamie, that is me by the way, and I'm showing you within this series of videos just how fast and awesome Scriptcase really is and how easy and quickly you can create really simple applications. So in this video, we are going to create the tabs application. And again, just like many of the others, it is one click, choose the localization and create. And then once we've done that, the application is then generated. And then from here, we can add a custom label and so forth and add our applications into our tab application. Okay, so if I come here, add a label, so I add, and then I'll click here on add. Now that has been added. I have a folder then available, and then here within the application settings, I can add an application to this folder, meaning I can add multiple applications to one folder. So I'll just confirm that very quickly, and then come back here to the folder settings, and let's maybe add another. Okay. And just like that, click the add button, come back to the application settings, and there I have now two tabs. Within the second one, I can go ahead and add the form, for instance, click next, and again, confirm that. And then go ahead and run the tab application. And then we can quickly check that out. And of course, do take note that you can add multiple applications within each of those folders that you have created. And then with our tab application running, we can see then the grid that we have added and then also the form application that we had added within each of these tabs. And it's just as simple as that and just as fast. There are no cuts here. There are no special effects. It is really as simple and as fast as that. Now that you've seen it, until the next video.